In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your TikTok business account back to a normal account. Whether you're a creator looking to switch gears or you've accidentally set up a business account, you'll find this guide extremely useful. First off, let's head to TikTok's login page. You can easily find this by searching for TikTok online and clicking on the login link. Once there, you'll see several options for logging in, but for this example, we're going to use the Continue with Google option. It's a straightforward way to access your account if it's linked to a Google account. Clicking this will prompt you to choose from any Google accounts you are currently logged in with, or it might ask you to enter your credentials if you're not logged in. After selecting your account, you'll need to authorize TikTok to access some details from your Google account. Don't worry, it's standard practice for most platforms that offer a Google login. Just click Continue to proceed. Now that you're logged in, hover over your profile icon at the top right corner of the TikTok homepage. This will show you a drop-down menu with several options. We're interested in the settings option today, so go ahead and click on that. This section manages all your account details and preferences, so it's a treasure trove of settings that allow you to tailor your TikTok experience. Scroll through your account settings until you spot the option related to your business account. TikTok makes it quite straightforward to switch between account types, so you'll find a button that allows you to turn off the business account features. It's important to note that switching account types can affect some functionalities like analytics or the ability to run ads. So be sure this is what you want before proceeding. Upon clicking the button to deactivate your business account, you may encounter a confirmation prompt. This is just a safety measure to ensure that you don't make any changes accidentally. Confirm that you wish to proceed and voila, your TikTok account will revert to a personal account. You might be wondering, why would someone switch from a business to a personal account? Well, each type of account offers different features. For instance, personal accounts have more freedom with music choices, which is a big deal if you love creating content with the latest hits. On the other hand, business accounts have access to in-depth analytics and promotional tools. It all boils down to what you're looking to achieve on TikTok. If you're a content creator opting for more personalization and interaction with your audience using a wide range of music and sounds, then a personal account is the way to go. Conversely, if your main goal is marketing or brand engagement, a business account might suit your needs better with its analytics and ad features. Remember, TikTok is a versatile platform that caters to a vast array of content creators, businesses, and casual users. Changing your account type is just one way to customize your TikTok experience to better suit your needs. Whether you're here to share your daily life, promote a product, or just for some light-hearted fun, TikTok has something for you. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, the internet is an ever-evolving space, and staying informed about the tools and features available to you will help you maximize your online presence. If you've got any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to dive deeper into TikTok's help center or reach out to their support team. Enjoy creating and see you on TikTok.